If you are wanting to join a Zoom meeting that is scheduled for one of your courses, you may click into your Zoom link that was provided for you by your teacher. But as you get to this page, you notice it looks a little different. You are in what Zoom calls a virtual meeting room. What that means is you are in the right spot, and if you notice on the screen, it will give your host's name. This host is Kristen Harms. So it will list your teacher's name and will say that you're in their meeting room. You will remain here and you will continue to get the circle that spins until your teacher has started the Zoom meeting. So if you show up a couple minutes early, you might notice this screen and just wait momentarily. Once you are in your meeting with your teacher, you will be able to see how many participants are in the meeting. Often, your teacher will ask you to join while muted and might actually have you set up that way to where you are automatically muted. You have the option to unmute yourself if the teacher asks. If you are wanting to chat, you can turn on your chat screen or click on it to turn it back off. You may choose to share your screen. You may also be asked to give a reaction. So if you like something that's done, your teacher may have you clap and it will come up in your corner and everyone will be able to see that you clapped. Another option that you have is to give a thumbs up. So a teacher may say thumbs up if you agree, and then you can give a thumbs up. Your teacher may also put you into breakout rooms. Those breakout rooms are opportunities to work in small groups.
If your teacher starts breakout rooms, you might get a screen that looks like this as you're waiting for everyone to join breakout rooms. Once the teacher is ready for everyone to start, you will automatically move into a breakout room. Another option may be that you will be invited to join your breakout room, so you would click on the blue Join button. If a question arises while you're in your breakout room, you may click to invite the host into your breakout room to ask for help. Your teacher may also choose to broadcast to the entire course. If so, you are going to have a message that pops up when your breakout room is in session. It may give some clarifying information. It may prompt you to do something, but it's just a quick way for the teacher to communicate to everyone while they are in their breakout rooms. Your teacher and your classmates will always be available to help support you with Zoom and all resources used in Parkway's virtual campus. Happy Zooming!